Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to do an unboxing of the Sugarbox. So Sugarbox is one of the subscription boxes that I really like, and it is a lifestyle box. It gives you all surprise products and it is actually based on a theme. So the theme that I am going to show you this time is called as the Bohemian theme. So it came in a box like this. It has this white packaging and for some reason I really like the packaging of Sugarbox. When I take out this package, which is like super duper difficult, and so this is what the box looks like. Very beautiful box. You can also use this one up, and then inside of it there is this card right here, and everything is just below this packing paper. So I'll just read out the card to you. This is called as the Bohemian edition and it says, "No fear, no boundaries, for adventures await thee. Live fearless, fly high, Bohemian soul, wander wild, your sugar advisor." Very nice card. And then when I open all of this, we have a lot of goodies in here. So let's just dive in and see what all we have. The first thing is one of my most favorite things that I absolutely love. We have a notebook right here. I would love anything that would give you free notebooks. I'm a notebook junkie and it is a very beautiful tropical print, green color print, and inside of it you have these pages which are ruled. Really nice diary for on the go, and I really love these kind of notebooks. So thank you Sugarbox, this is a really useful thing. Moving on to another thing, we have a dream catcher. It's a very beautiful color actually. I really love this color. Oh, it's feathery thing. It's beautiful guys. Wow, look at that. It's a beautiful dream catcher. Wow, I love it. It's such a beautiful color. So I really like it. It's a nice beautiful dream catcher, which of course I'm going to hang in my room just after filming this video. It's a beautiful one, isn't it? I really like it. I don't know why, I just love it. And then in this poly bag we have, I don't know why they put everything in a poly bag. Why not in these kind of paper bags? I think that would be great idea rather than giving poly bags. So anyway, moving on. So we have this scarf right here, and I think it is a scarf. I'm not really sure though, because no, it's not a scarf, I'm sorry. It's a kind of a kimono thing. So this is what it actually looks like, and it has these kind of short sleeves and it has these fringes at the bottom, and it is white, red and splashes of blue, and it looks very pretty. So yeah, again, such a great piece. I thought it was a scarf, but it is amazing. That's actually a very versatile piece because I really love these kind of things, and it is a cotton fabric. It is not stretchable at all, and I think this will go with all sizes. And yeah, I'm very excited about this one. And Sugarbox is one such box which is always very consistent, especially with the clothes thing. So the last time they actually gave me an off-shoulder top, which is still my favorite. I love that. And now this one, I am totally in love with their choice of things. Then we have this thing right here. So what is this? This is called as Unravel Beauty Secrets. No, that cannot be the name. It is a hair pack, and it says this is herb enriched hair pack, and it has a lot of things. The benefits of this hair pack is that it is going to prevent hair damage, strengthen hair roots, split ends and all of that. And the cost of this box is actually 700 rupees guys. So inside of it there is this poly bag again, and we have a powder that smells like garam masala. Yes, so I think we have to make a paste of it. It actually increases the blood circulation, it strengthens the hair, it gives it some luster, and it obviously nourishes the hair. So I will definitely try it. So monsoon times is actually a bad time for my skin and hair, and I really need all the nourishment in the world during this time of the year. Then moving on to this small little pouch, which I obviously adore. I love these kind of packagings. Inside of it we have something. We have rings guys. I'm not such a ring fan, but we have 3 rings right here. So there is this heart ring, and then there is small dainty black color ring. It's really pretty. It's very pretty. I really like this one. And then there is this wider ring. It is not going up. It is then it has this black ring, and then it has a very beautiful dainty ring. I really like it guys. I think it's a good collection. And then moving on to the last bit, not the last exactly, but we have a bag, and I am such a lover of bags. You guys know about it. This is what the bag actually looks like. It's a very beautiful tan color bag with these kind of fringes which are almost like a suede material, and there's brown, maroon and blue fringes right here, which looks really cute. And then of course the theme is Bohemian, so you need to have fringe, and inside of it there is not really that much space, but I think enough for a bag like this, and you can definitely put in your essentials in this one. So yeah, that was the back thing. And then in the end we also have something else. What is this? This is a tattoo. It says premium temporary tattoo, no pain, skin and water friendly. It's a tester pack. I don't know how to use it, but it says hope right here. And then the last product, which is my most favorite, is this particular sweet or a candy. This is called as Truffles, and it obviously looks very delicious. Why one sugar box? I really hope you kept two. So yeah, it's a chocolate. I'm gonna eat it. So it was very gooey and very delicious. So that was everything in this box, guys. This Bohemian edition of the Sugar Box. So the details, the links and everything is going to be in the description box for you guys. Also guys, if you've liked this video, please do not forget to give this video a quick thumbs up. I'm going to really appreciate it. And also make sure that you're subscribed to my channel if you want to see more from my side. Also hit that bell button to get the notification. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in my next one very soon. Till then, take care of yourself. I love you very much. Bye guys. Mwah.